ka ba?
Hmm? Ganda, di ba? Dito pa pa, oh, saglit lang.
Withdraw cash.
Oh no!
Ito mga sasakay ng bus. Doon, malayo.
Full pila. Ito na lang mo. Accessories.
Ito naman lang ugaling kasi sabi ko, kasi mali, baka may padali deny, hindi pwede.
Pwede yan sir MC, basta ano, nakapangalan ka Toyota. Tapos ano yan sir, yung accounting namin, tinatawag dito lang sa video kung saan issue.
Matter, fulfilling ownership, and great value. First off, let's talk about your warranty. Your vehicle comes with a stationary car at a speed lower than 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. Home-type collision with a relatively movable object. In an underground collision where the force of it is downward, like the impact of a low-off platform on the back of the truck. Side collisions from an angle, or when